Alright guys, so this is going to be the last drive with the NA Auto setup. Heading over to Nate's to go pull the motor and transmission out, and we're going to go twin turbo 6-speed. Possibly single turbo 6-speed. We'll see. Nate, just get in the way to the car real quick. 3280. Hey, what's up guys? So me and Nate are working on pulling the engine out of this car so we can do the twin turbo 6-speed swap. This is what it's looking like at the moment. So we got the harness taken out of the firewall, everything around it for the most part disconnected. We're draining fluids right now and we're going to be pulling it out. He doesn't like to be filmed.
I'm gonna have to go on there and push the tranny up while you jack this, so you're gonna have to put that thing down and work.
Sorry guys, I have to do some work here. Alright.
Oh, like, man, that does not sound good. Alright. You're fine. Try to pull it towards out a little.
Watch your hand. Watch your fingers there. Might not be angled enough.
No, you're good.
Watch your hand.
No, go up. Keep on up. You're about to. No.
I was about to hit that. Oh, I didn't see the lines there. That was just the AC compressor.
Hold on. Keep on.
That's not returning right.
No.
That's part of the auto.
Alright, come out. Okay. Back them out a little bit. Bring it this way.
Oh. Paint's about it.
Yeah, you missed all the fun.
Yeah.
Threw up again.
Go up.
You threw up?
Yeah. Like last time today.
For Sean.
Hey man, can I come over? Alright, go up more. Alright, you can start pulling.
Mm-hmm.
Kick it. And this is a J2 bell housing, my friend.
So it's garbage?
I think so.
Nice.
Yes.
Just like the rest of the motor.
Hang on.
Oop.
Scratch
Good
my
thing I didn't
floor.
have my bumper. Nice.
Oh, there it is.
Hmm.
It's everything you hope for.
It's dirty. You put a nice stain out in your driveway. Clean it
Yeah.
up real quick. Alright, so we've got the engine out. And it's sitting over here. It's for sale if anybody is interested. It's a NA vvti with an auto trans. And we're going to be putting this in it soon. We've got to do the transmission tunnel. That guy there. Some of these other parts have to go in there, as well as a clutch pedal. And it'll be back up on the road soon, hopefully. Thank you guys for watching. If you don't mind, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.